Sometimes, it's just a race against the clock. It took on the extreme heights of Pikes Peak and won in a record time. It crossed the unforgiving empty quarter, setting the fastest time for a production vehicle. It was the first time a vehicle dared to challenge the infamous downhill inferno. It has learned from the past. It has looked into the future. Over 400 PS of combined electric and petrol power. The new Range Rover Sport plug-in hybrid. It was only ever a matter of time. Next, the Dragon Challenge, China.